a beat. I was trying to beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch. I did the race. Beat it up, or I not shorty face.
What's good, guys? It's WavySpice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a video that's a little bit different. I'm actually gonna do like a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this makeup look. And I am going to be talking to you guys about some things. The video's kind of all over the place. I haven't done a chit chat, get ready with me in a while. But something else that I wanted to address was how TikTok is apparently like purposely not posting the Black Lives Matter hashtag, and it's all just really hurtful. Like, it's bad enough how they push white creators to the top, but like now they're like purposely trying to not acknowledge stuff that we're going through, and especially since they steal from our culture, just really hurtful. And I just really hope things change. So yeah, I kind of talk about how I feel about everything in this video. It's just a topic for me that's a little bit hard. It's been very mentally draining on top of already having to deal with the coronavirus and quarantine and everything. So yeah, I kind of talk about that a little bit. If you guys are new to my channel, what's good? My name is WavySpice. On my channel, I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And yeah, I make my videos for people that don't fit into your everyday beauty standard. Maybe you're dark skin, maybe you're a woman of color, maybe you're a plus size woman. Either way, you don't fit into beauty standards, but you also don't give a fuck. So that's a little bit about what my channel is about. Definitely don't forget to join the Spice Gang and become a Spice Girl. We have a lot of fun over here. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I do have Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see a little bit about what I was talking about and how I got this really pretty makeup look, then just continue watching. Bye. What's up, guys? So yeah, today I'm gonna actually do a chit chat, get ready with me. It's just been like a lot on my mind as far as like everything that's going on in the world. It's like really heavy on my heart. I'm sure it's heavy on a lot of you guys' heart. That stuff like racism and killing of black people is still like super relevant today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to talk through this while I do it. So I'm gonna use the GABON foundation from Juvias Place. But yeah, it's just like really a lot for me. Just really been trying to cope with it. And just wanted to see if anybody else would feel that same way. Like my friends and everything went to like a protest today. But I don't know, I was just a little worried about protesting. I don't know if that's my way to contribute to the cause. I need to find a different way, because it kind of makes me a little bit nervous, because like I don't want to get killed, obviously. So yeah, I just been kind of thinking about like what type of way I could contribute to this. I did donate to the foundation for George Floyd, so that's definitely one way to kind of contribute to everything. But yeah, it's just a lot. But the main thing that I really wanted to touch on is Aina. I don't know if you guys follow her on Twitter, but in social media just in general, she's been calling out these huge brands, these huge fashion brands, specifically I don't know why I put my foundation on first. I'd already started now at this point. I usually don't put my foundation on first. But yeah, she called out some brands, specifically Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, and Revolve, because they literally appropriate the fuck out of black culture and, you know, just don't have anything to say when black people are dying for no reason, you know. And it's really kind of how everything in general is. It's just really sad, the foundations that America was built on, you know, and continue to so prevalently do. It's very depressing. But yeah, I love that Aina called out brands like Fashion Nova, because they appropriate the hell out of black culture, and I'm pretty sure that's like an Asian brand. So, you know, we need everybody on our side, specifically minorities, Mexicans, all these people that so quickly to say the N-word in a song. You know, we need them to kind of step up and say, hey, this is wrong, because it is. Like, the stuff that's happening to us is literally so wrong on so many levels. So I really hope Jackie inspires some change from these companies, and maybe they'll actually start giving some of these black people credit for a lot of stuff that they're doing. You do my white base. That just makes everything pop. But yeah, also a lot of influencers I've noticed who appropriate black culture, love black culture, haven't said or done a damn thing. Which is just like, wow, like really people be out here capitalizing off of our culture but don't actually give a fuck about us, and it's really sad. And a lot of times if a black creator does something and a white creator takes it and does it and redoes it, they are actually praised more for it when they didn't even create it. Like, say for instance, this girl that I follow, Lauren, she created the colored brow trend. Do you think she got any credit for that? She's an amazing MUA, but like, yeah, it's like y'all benefit from us highly and still don't want to give respect where respect is due or even stand up for us. It's really sad. It's really, really sad. A lot of these gay influencers that literally act like black women, like act like black women are their spirit animals. I seen somebody say on Twitter, like, crickets, dead silence. It's really like, it's really fucking sad. All right, so I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edward palette in the shade Believe. So that's this purple right here. So pretty. Oh, I think I should make it go in. Oh my god, there's a fly. I could never. Oh, I hit him and he didn't even die. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna actually go with the blue. So I'm going in with the blue called Dream It in the palette, which is right underneath the purple. Color switch be the plug, child. But yeah, I'm trying to stay on topic while I'm filming, but I haven't done anything other than TikTok in a while. Wahala palette, and I'm about to use the shade Envy. Alright, so I'm just blending out my concealer. I use a Juvias Place concealer in the shade 11. Okay, so I'm about to set my foundation. Maybeline Fit Me that I always use, the Fit Me powder in the shade Medium Deep. I knew I was using the shade Medium Deep. I don't know if they discontinued the shade or something, but I went on the website and for some reason they did not have Medium Deep. They just had Medium. So yeah, this one is the best for dark skin. Just that concealer. And I don't let mine sit. And just wipe it straight off. Alright, so I'm about to do my eyeliner. But yeah, this stuff is like really taking a hold of me. I really hope things start to change. I can't wait to see what these large corporations do for the cause, you know. Okay, and then I'm going to put on a lash. I'm probably just gonna wear my Voguish Beauty Collection lashes. These eyebrow hack ever. Get you an eyebrow with a little eyeliner joint. You just line it straight on and pop the lash right on. The OG CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer. I'm gonna do my nose with one of these like really fluffy eyeshadow brushes. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite blush, which is B in the Juvias Place. That's a hair blush volume 2. I'm gonna give it a generous sweep. One to each cheek. I'm also gonna do my nose. Which is like one of my favorite things to do. So now I'm about to highlight with the La Peach highlighter.
cracking flows like a vase. See it in my motherfucking face.
Actually, I think I'm gonna put me some little crystals on my head. Oh, and I just got these from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Alright, so I couldn't find my hairbrush, so I'm just gonna take it down with my, like, literally the only brush that I have that I know doesn't have like extra grease in it, which is actually my blow dryer brush. And I've been getting lit, y'all, drinking on a good delicious margarita. You guys can see my natural hair has like grown quite a bit. It actually looks really cute. And it's actually then got kind of thick. Alright. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much this video. Just wanted to definitely applaud Jackie and Aina for calling out these makeup brands that continuously appropriate Black culture and don't really support Black people to actually support our culture. It really saddens me that we have to go through this, but hopefully I'm just hoping that things will get better with change and action, and maybe one day I'll be brave enough to go to a protest. So yeah, guys, that is it for this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed my makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll have all that good stuff linked below. Also, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe and join the Spice gang. Become a Spice girl. We have a lot of fun over here. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.